If I give you 1,000 shillings today, will you turn it into a daily income by the end of the week? Most people ignore Chapati and Mandazi business because they look too ordinary. But let me tell you the truth. Ordinary businesses feed extraordinary families. Today I'll show you step by step how to start a profitable Chapati Mandazi business in 2026. Even if you have no shop, no loan, and no connection. Stay with me in this video. This might change how you see money forever. So, why Chapati still works in 2026? Chapati and Mandazi are not trends, they are habits. People eat them morning, lunch, evening, during meetings, at funerals, at weddings, in schools, in the construction sites. So their habits. Inflation goes up, people still eat. Technology changes, hunger remains the same. And that's why this business survives every economy. What you need to start this business is bare minimum. You only need bare minimum tools. You don't need a hotel kitchen. You only need a flat 2 kgs for the start, a cooking oil, sugar for the mandazis, charcoal, or if you can afford a gas, a frying pan, a rolling pin, and a clean table or a clean platform. And approximately the starting capital will cost you 2,000 to 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Avoid loans. Start where you are. If you can afford semi or another thing is the location where you do your business. And as we all know, location is 70% of the business. So in this case, if you're selling Chapati or Mandazi, you need best locations like stage areas, that includes the bus stations, nearer factories, construction sites, school roads, and maybe estate with limited hotels. So another thing that I was almost forgetting, you see, this business, Chapati Mandazi business, requires low capital, but they have high demand, daily foods. And again, it helps you speak with the hustlers directly and stay at home. Considering balancing that, depending on your location, mostly Chapati's peak hours are in the evening. Mandazi is mostly go in the morning because people use mostly for breakfast. So if you are one of the smart hustlers, you will be there in the morning and in the evening. So This is the let's look at the pricing and the daily profit. Let's say you made yourself 100 mandazis. 100 mandazis each. If you sell it at 20 shillings, that is 2,000 shillings. Alright? You've made 50 chapatis. 50 chapatis, one at 30 shillings. That is 1,500. By the end of the day, you will have 3,500. Okay? If you started with a capital of 2,000, yeah, and then you will have made a profit of 1,500. Am I right? Depending on what you use or how much you spent. When now you are buying the ingredients. Now, here's what most beginners normally get wrong. You've started your business, you are hiding. Only people who know your location can access you. The moment the only people who knows your location can access you, these are people who knows you. You want to start selling on a debt. Nipatie nitakupea jioni, nitakupea mwisho wa mwezi. And you end up like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. Another one is poor hygiene. Inconsistent taste. Today you've spent all your energy on this, tomorrow that, tomorrow this, so customers are confused, they don't know what to like. Another one is underpricing and oversizing portions. Don't underprice in order for you to sell. That is not competition. You will end up losing your business to the other party. So underpricing and oversizing are almost the same. If you oversize the size of your mandazi or chapati, you will end up, if you were to come up with 16 chapatis at the end and you oversized, you will end up having maybe 12 or 11. So if 16 at 30 shillings could have given you 480, now that being 120 at 30 shillings, 12 at 30 shillings, that will be 360. Now if you take 460, not 480, you deduct 360, that is a loss of 120. So don't underprice and don't oversize. Okay? And avoid mixing personal money with the business money. Once you've gotten enough profit, in 2026 you can still scale up this business. It can still go. Now, if you want to scale it, you can add things like smokies, eggs. Maybe you are supplying offices and kiosks. You use WhatsApp orders. And maybe you brand yourself. You got yourself some simple name or apron or something like that, and move from roadside to kiosk or a shop to expand your business. So I think this one also will help you, especially if you're planning to start a business with a low capital of between 2,000 to 5,000 or between 8,000 to 15,000. In between there, Chapati business is the best. Let me see yours in the comment. Drop, suggest a video that we think we should do next, and let's see. Thank you for your time. Remember to subscribe.